Welcome to Ranjana's Kitchenette. Today I am going to reveal the secrets of making soft, fluffy and aromatic rice. You must be knowing while cooking rice, when grains get split, mushy or hard, no matter how tasty is your curry, your mushy or hard rice will spoil the taste of your curry. You can't enjoy your food. Am I right? If yes, so let's begin the process. Buy good quality boiled basmati rice and separate the stones by hand picking. In a container, take 2 cups of rice. And wash under running water properly. After washing the rice properly, soak the rice in water for at least 15 minutes. When the rice is soaked properly in water, the grains become bigger in size. Transfer the rice into pressure cooker. Add water just ½ inch above the rice. Add garam masala and butter. Cook over a high flame till the first whistle blows and turn down the flame and cook for further 5 minutes. Remove the cooker from the fire and keep on the table for at least 5 to 10 minutes to set the grains properly. Have closer view of the rice. Wow! Look at the texture, such a fluffy aromatic rice. Now the rice is ready to be served, which looks fluffy, separated and well cooked. If you like my video, hit the like button, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rice with the curry of your choice. Bye and take care.